Welcome to your Sarasota gem, where timeless mid-century character meets modern updates in this beautifully refreshed bungalow. Step inside and be greeted by stunning original terrazzo floors, recently polished to shine, setting the tone for a home that blends vintage Florida charm with today's conveniences. The fully renovated kitchen is a true showstopper, featuring crisp shaker cabinets, granite countertops, and plenty of storage. Perfect for everyday living or entertaining guests. Fresh interior paint, updated lighting, and thoughtful design touches add to the bright, inviting atmosphere. The oversized primary suite offers a private retreat with a renovated spa-like bathroom, showcasing a luxurious river rock tile shower and quartz finishes. Additional upgrades bring peace of mind, including a newer metal roof, energy-efficient HVAC, updated windows, and more. Relax in the versatile Florida room or step outside to enjoy the spacious fenced backyard with an open-air patio, ideal for pets, gatherings, or even a future pool. All just minutes from Siesta Key Beach, downtown Sarasota, and endless cultural attractions. Don't miss this rare opportunity to call it home.